Good morning everyone. Today I am going to my construction site. Hello friends, welcome back to my vlog. Today I am showing you the drain of construction work. You see the drain. Right now shuttering work is going on. You see these wooden plates is already fixed. Hello friends, I'm removing these wooden plates because the concrete has become strong, so I'm removing these plates. These wooden plates firmly fixed to support the concretes. This is very strong and stable. You see this drain. Hello friends, I am applying engine oil on the wooden plates because before pouring the concrete, the engine oil easily removes shutterings when concrete was dried. If you like this video, support me and support my channel and videos. Thank you.